everyone, good afternoon. Let me introduce my group. I am Sintia April. This is my friend
Safiira Fitri.
I'm Cahya.
And I am Asyam Totti.
Here I explain the manageable switch procedure. Manageable switches are switches that can be configured so that we can monitor network traffic remotely and control it. Setting manageable switch.
A few moments later.
Introduction: manageable switches are switches that can be configured so that we can monitor network traffic remotely and control it.
That materials we need: computer, Cisco SP35208PK81, and UTP cable.
This procedure: 1. Turn on the computer. 2. Turn on the switch. 3. Connect the computer to the switch using a UTP cable that is connected to port 1 of the switch. 4. Then we have to configure the static IP of our device according to the switch using the Qt IP default application from the switch, namely 192.168.0.1, and we enter it in the gateway. The IP address of our device is free, and here we enter the IP 192.168.0.5 along with the subnet mask.
5. After that, enter the IP address of the switch, namely 192.168.0.1 in the browser. Then enter the default username and password, namely username admin, password admin. Then the configuration display will appear. 6. We are ready to set the VLAN configuration. It is located in the VLAN menu that selects the then select the 802.1Q VLAN menu. 7. Enable 802.1Q VLAN configuration. Then add VLAN ID 10 and the VLAN's name is IP. Below that we make port 1 as text. Then we make port 2 and 3 untext. 8. After configuration as above, now we must reboot the switch. 9. Make sure the ports on the computer and switch are on.
The purpose of installing and setting this switch is to connect a number of computer devices so that they can exchange packets for forward data to various destination devices. That's all the steps for the setting switch that I can instruct. I hope help for you. Goodbye.